What's going on, guys? We back with some new finance news. And by finance news, I mean nothing has really changed. So without further ado, let's get started right now.
Low on my fitted, dreams has always been vivid. I'm just trying to go get it. Catch me right around and I'm ignorant. I'm just rolling.
So jumping right into it, we got Bitcoin, which is at 43,000. Hasn't really done much moving. It's down about 3% in the 7-day average. Ethereum is down 5%. So nothing really crazy has moved since then. XRP down 5% as a 7-day average, but overall, everything is pretty stable. And as far as the market goes, we got the Dow is down 1.26%. NASDAQ down 0.07%, and the S&P is down 0.77%. So the market still hasn't fallen. Some of our popular stocks for today: Alibaba's up 6.6%, Macy's up 4.4%, and one of my favorite airlines, Southwest Airlines, is up 4.3%. So nothing crazy. Gold up 2%. From what I've heard, gold is on a 6-year high. So yeah, for those of you guys that did decide to invest in gold, I should have. I was told to. I didn't. You're probably up some money. As far as the other news that's going on, we got Evergrande. They're still talking about it. They still haven't paid their debt. They're still broke. Are they gonna cause our market to crash? Some of the experts that I follow are saying, most of them are saying no. So we just got to sit back and see, because they have a 30-day grace period. And some people are saying if they hold on to their money, that's money that they don't have to make that payment, and they can use that capital to earn or make more money. Next up is the infrastructure bill. It's coming up, and progressives are saying they won't block. They will block the bill. So that's going to be that. The House vote. The House passed the vote along party lines to extend the debt ceiling to December of 2022. The Senate has to vote to raise it by October 18th. Republicans want Dems to extend it on their own. So this country has never, ever not continued to make their payments and not paid their debts. So if the Republicans in the Senate decide not to help extend the debt ceiling, this is going to be the first time in history. And if they decide that they don't do that, it's going to be a really bad idea, because we borrow money from other countries. If we're saying that we won't pay people back, that's not going to be a good thing. And the thing that's interesting about it is some of the people that are following were saying, like, most of the debt that came from the pandemic happened under Trump. And the Democrats at the time voted 3 times, I think they said, to extend the debt ceiling, so that some of the things like, the stimulus checks, the payments for the business, all of the stuff that the country needed in itself, not just Trump, but whether there was a Democratic president or a Republican president at the time when this pandemic started, there would have been a need to extend the debt. And the Dems, while Trump was in office, decided that it was important not to watch Trump fall. More so, it was more important to extend this debt ceiling so, businesses wouldn't go out of business, and people like yourselves that needed stimulus checks could get stimulus checks. So that's going to be really interesting. And the thing is, Biden could raise the ceiling using the 14th Amendment, but he'd most likely get sued. So that's pretty much the news that I've been following that's come up so far. Nothing too crazy is going on with crypto. It's went up and down, normal stuff. Same with the stock market. It's gone up, it's went down, nothing too serious. So if you got any questions, leave it in the comments below. I'm out.